Now we are going to start about the spherical mirrors. So what are spherical mirrors? Spherical mirror is a curved mirror which is a part of hollow sphere. मान लीजिए आपके पास एक hollow sphere है, अगर हम उसको divide कर देते हैं उसको, then you will get two parts. Like here you can see the hemispheres. ठीक है, इनमें अगर आपका एक मिरर जो आपने लिया है, इसमें अगर रिफ्लेक्टिंग सरफेस जो है वो इनर साइड वाला पोर्शन रहता है, द पोर्शन विच इज कर्व्ड इन इनसाइड, then that आपका mirror is known as concave mirror. Okay, the rays of light, as you can see in the figure, first figure towards the left, the rays of light are falling on this particular mirror. स्ट्राइक होते के साथ ही they are reflecting, और रिफ्लेक्ट होने के बाद they are converging at a point on the principal axis. Fine, and this is known as आपका concave mirror. Such type of mirror where the reflecting surface is curved inwards, this is known as a concave mirror. Now comes the convex mirror. Convex mirror is the mirror in which the reflecting surface is this bulged out portion, the outer portion. As you can remember, if you will see the spoon which is used in our kitchen, it has two surfaces, the outer portion, bulged portion, and the inner surface which is deeper surface, है ना. तो deeper portion वाला जो सीधा वाला portion है, this is that can resemble your concave mirror, and the bulged portion जो उल्टा portion है, that can resemble your convex mirror. So this I am giving you as a representation kind of example. So what is happening in concave mirror? It is a spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards. Rays of light parallel to the principal axis, जो भी rays of light आप देख सक रहे हैं, ये parallel to principal axis आ रही है, ये reflection के बाद they diverge and then they appear to come from a point behind the mirror which is known as F, focal point. Okay, so this you have studied in your lower classes also, that there are two types of spherical mirrors. One is concave mirror and one is convex mirror, and this we have studied right now. Let us now move to the terms which are used while the study of spherical mirrors. Number one is the center of curvature, then radius of curvature, pole, principal axis, principal focus, and focal length. So now the definition of these terms can come in the examination. So first of all, let us start with the center of curvature. So as we can see in this next slide, here what is, अभी हमने जो एक बात कही कि जो आपका spherical mirrors हैं, they are a part of the hollow sphere. ठीक है, तो वो जो hollow sphere है, अगर उसका center point आप देखो तो that is termed to be the center of curvature. जैसे कि ये आपका यहाँ पे एक mirror दे रखा है, this is concave mirror. अगर आप इसको एक्सटेंड करोगे, स्फीयर के रूप में बनाओगे, तो इसका जो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, सेंटर पॉइंट होगा पूरे के पूरे स्फीयर का, दैट विल बी दिस पॉइंट विच इज डिनोटेड बाय सी एंड इट इज नोन एज सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. ओके, नेक्स्ट आपका टर्म आता है पोल. व्हाट इज पोल? पोल जो आपका स्फेरिकल मिरर है, यहाँ पे जो कॉनकेव मिरर है, इसका जो सेंट्रल पॉइंट है, आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे, दिस इज द सेंट्रल पॉइंट. This is designated as P and it is termed as pole. Fine. Next आपका एक term आता है which is radius of curvature. What is radius of curvature? The distance between this C, center of curvature, and pole, it is termed to be as the radius of curvature. Okay. Now next comes the term principal axis. What is principal axis? The line, straight line, this line x and y, which is denoted as x and y in this figure, in this ray diagram, the line which joins the center of curvature and the pole is termed to be as the principal axis. Okay. Next term comes the F, that is principal focus. So what happens? Whatever rays of light are there which strike the reflecting surface or the concave mirror, here in this case, they after striking the surface, they reflect and they converge at a point on the principal axis which is known as focus, and it is termed to be as focus. Now what is focal length? This distance between the F and P is termed to be as the focal length. This is known as फोकल लेंथ। अब फोकल लेंथ और रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर के बीच में देयर इज अ रिलेशनशिप, देयर इज अ फॉर्मूला which is r is equal to 2f or f is equal to r by 2. So if you are given radius of curvature, you can easily find out focal length, and if you are given focal length, you can easily find out radius of curvature. And this type of question comes for 1 mark question, न्यूमेरिकल में आ जाता है आपके बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन में। ओके